I made this cinematic Nike commercial entirely with AI. No camera, no studio, just neural networks. And now I'm going to show you the entire process, from idea to final video. Hello, I'm Giselle, an AI designer. In this video, you'll see the entire workflow of creating a real advertisement, from generating 7 frames to animation and editing. You can apply this format to any brand. I always start by looking for inspiration. I open Behance, Dribbble, Pinterest, looking for mood, form, light. The task is to understand what the style of the video will be: futuristic, minimalist, or sporty. The first frame is the most important one: hero shot. I use this prompt for Whisk and Grok. Cinematic hero shot of a futuristic Nike sneaker, slow dolly in, neon rim light, ultra-detailed materials, glossy reflections. This gives us a powerful advertising frame that sets the tone for the entire video. The second is a macro shot. It adds a sense of reality. We show textures, fabric, rubber, soles. It is important to specify micro push forward in the prompt. This gives the camera movement. A lifestyle shot is needed to show the product in action. I'm shooting a running scene, but without faces, just shoes, movement, light. The fourth frame is a side studio shot. I use a clean background, strong contrast, and soft reflections. The fifth frame is the packaging. I create a modern, minimalist design for the Nike box. This frame adds a sense of authenticity to the brand. The sixth is atmospheric. The product floats in the air, light, particles. This is a wow effect shot that enhances the visual drama. And the final frame is the logo: minimalistic, clean, premium. This is what completes the video and makes it look like a real advertisement. Next, animation. I load each frame and add smooth motion. Slow dolly in, tilt up, parallax, slight shake, depth motion. The main thing is that the movement should be smooth and cinematic. Now let's put everything together in the editor. I use CapCut Desktop. It's free and very powerful. Important: don't overdo the effects. A premium video is simplicity plus pure light. This is what the finished Nike commercial looks like, made entirely with AI. If you want me to do a similar analysis for Adidas, Tesla, Apple, or Starbucks, write the brand name in the comments and subscribe. There's a lot more AI advertising to come.